In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then hold it to click on this icon with two rectangles. Select Home button and tap on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button, or access background apps again and swipe this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!